Hello people, this is Ryder here to review the Kamen Geats DX Drill and Propeller Race Buckle Set. So this is the third and last race buckle set to be released, as I realize that they changed the orientation to, I don't get this. So so the set has it ordered as Drill and Propeller, but they're promoting it as Propeller and Drill. I don't know, but anyways, like Geats is finally the one with the main race buckle, I guess, now, and then there's always Tycoon because they don't have any other way to advertise these sets. Yeah, so obviously the box is colored to be these two buckles, which I feel like they should have gone with a brown Drill and Propeller, Desire Driver, what they do, the contents, and QR code for. So here we have the race buckles out of their box package. So I'm trying to straighten my tripod, but here's Drill, which I like. Drill, like, it's pretty. I like how the big emphasis there is on the drill, and it carries over what set 2 or the second set with the silver paint. And I just like that it's brown. Like, that's pretty neat. And then this one is 012 within the track system, QR code for comborizing. However, Drill suffers from one thing. You pull it back once again. You see those screw holes? Yep, we got another one of these that you just pull back, which... Here's the tag. Like, look, I gave it an exception to chain array, just because it's like, whatever, but... Drill, like, what? Who pulled... Like, I said this in this stream when I initially opened this. Like, when you use a drill, when do you pull back? When you unscrew the screw. You don't... Even then, like, most of the time with drills, you don't pull them back, you push them forward. And I'm glad that there was at least one customizer that went through the effort of retrofitting drill to be pushed forward. It doesn't work well, but I mean, it's just like, it's better than pushing it back. I don't like... So here's Propeller, to which is, I'll be honest, at first, I thought this one was just kind of bland, just because it's gray, but I mean, after Drill, this one's superior. Like, the grayness of this one actually really helps. And then, this one is 015 within the track system, QR code for gomberizing. And this one, actually, it does reuse another one of these mechanisms, but it's one that we've never seen in a while. It uses waters, but however, as you can tell, it's so springy. And it's like, I don't mind this because it's at least something different with the mechanism. It's not like water's like weird, like, tightness. This one is just so springy, and it's just like, it's actually fun. So yeah, other than that, let's just take a look at these within the Desire Driver. So we will use Buffer for drill, even though this is not how he uses drill, but Alright. Like, the sound is cool. Buffa used it with Zombie, but we will just have to ignore that. This one actually happened. White LED. Obviously this one's orange. Come on. Alright, so yeah, like overall, like I would definitely say this is probably the weakest set out of the three, which is unfortunate. It doesn't mean these are bad buckles. Like, I like drill. I like the sounds it has. I like the drill. I just don't like the functionality of it. Why would you pull a drill back? Propeller, I could care less for it, but I really like the buckle. It's probably one of the more fun ones. So it's just like, this one's weird. For sure. But like, other than that, like, again, you can just get these through Gashbot and Kanen Toy if you don't want to get these as a set. Though it's just kind of easier just to get these because these sets are pretty cheap. But yeah, like, honestly, this is kind of such a downer way of ending the armed weapons. Especially because the thing, like, the weird thing is that Propeller is like one of the, it's probably the third most used one. And then Drill, Drill is barely used. So it's really weird. So, like, I don't know. I guess because of how used Propeller has been, it kind of made me like it more. But yeah, this is definitely a weird set. That would to do this review. This is Ryder, and I'll leave you people. Bye.